爷爷，
啊，
这里有好多蝌蚪，
对呀，
我想要抓一些回去养。
不好吧？这里是蝌蚪的家耶，蝌蚪的爸爸、爷爷都生活在这里，你怎么忍心把它赶出这么漂亮大自然的环境呢？
The area of the ecological and flood control of Dagoi Stream, with its beautiful landscape and rich ecology, was once a stream valley wetland, scattered with illegal buildings and lack of regulation. In 2001, Typhoon Nari brought severe disasters to Taipei City, mainly due to the limited capacity of the downstream drainage system, being unable to discharge in time the extremely heavy rainfall. To solve the long-term flood disasters in Nehu District, ecological and flood control of Dagoi Stream was planned through the participation of local community residents. Due to the insistence of the local community residents, in addition to the function of retaining the peak floods, the project by means of the ecological construction method completely preserved the topographies and landforms of the Eco-Park area. Therefore, the Eco-Park is facilitated with the functions of flood control and also conservation of flora and fauna.
所以爷爷，
啊，
这么大的空间，全部都是要给青蛙住的啊？
当然不是嘛。它最主要的功能是，台风天一来的时候，可以把洪水关起来呀，这样我们家还有附近邻居的家都不会淹水了耶。
Besides the installations of automatic flood retention and discharge facilities, the entire valley's water storage and discharge are controlled by the sunk well's water level. This mechanism interaction with the sewer system downstream is capable of retaining peak floods during the periods of downpours caused by typhoons, and thus maintain the smooth flow in the sewer system. Accordingly, the damage to the urban area from the torrential rainfalls due to the typhoons is similar to the scale of Typhoon Nari. When Typhoon Senlaku made landfall in Taiwan in 2008, the ecological and flood control of Dagoi Stream functioned effectively. With both functions of flood control and ecological conservation, the park also becomes an important scenic spot for environmental education and recreation. Meanwhile, the Eco-Park and the nearby Dahu Park and Kangning Pumping Station form a strong fortification for flood control. Besides, this park and the nearby tourist attraction spots such as Liushan Trail and Yuanjie Temple also become a precious eco-tourism zone in the outskirts of Taipei City.
爷爷说，等防汛期过后，除了小溪步道跟鸭子，草地上还会种满了彩色的花朵，真棒！下次我们还要来参加生态导览活动呢。